Hello and welcome back to Uday's Kitchen. Today we are back with a simple breakfast recipe, which is a breakfast quesadilla. Okay, this is Mexican and it is delicious. So on my ingredient list I have some chopped onions and chopped bell peppers, green one. You can use different colors if you like. You can even add tomatoes if you like. Okay, we have black pepper, maggi seasoning or salt. Okay, 2 eggs broken, 2 tortilla wraps, and some cheese. Okay, you can use any cheese that stretches. I'm using Swiss cheese. You can use mozzarella if you like. Okay, these are the only ingredients that we need for this recipe. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to kind of like fry these bell pepper and the onions with the spices first. Okay, in the meanwhile I'm going to beat my eggs. Okay, so that's set. Now let's go to the stove. So with my pot set, I add in a little bit of oil and a little bit of butter. Okay, or butter. There you go. So the oil is to prevent the butter from burning. Okay, and it adds flavor to the quesadilla as well. Okay, allow that to melt and heat up a little bit. And then we'll add in our onions and the bell peppers. Then some black pepper, some maggi seasoning, okay, you can use salt as well if you don't have maggi seasoning, it's all the same. So now fry this until they're translucent. Okay, that is all set. Add in the eggs. So beat the eggs before adding it. Okay, mix it up with the fried onions and the bell peppers. Okay. Now make a circle like so. Okay, add your cheese. That goes on top. So the cheese you can add based on your taste. That is all set. Then goes the tortillas on top of it. So first I'm going to add the first tortilla. Now flip it over like so. And back to the pan. Like that. And add the second tortilla. Now what we're going to do is grill this a little bit on this to get that brown grill color. So as you can see, it is brown on one side. I'm going to flip it over and let the other side also get brown. So there you have it. It's all set. All I'm going to do is take a knife, bread knife preferably, and cut it like so. Okay, cut it anyhow you like, 4 pieces, 6 pieces. Alright, there you have it. So cheesy, so delicious. You can never go wrong with this. It tastes delicious. Try it and let me know in the comment section below how it turned out. Today my shout outs go to my viewers in Turkey, Lama, Sally, Mariama, our Sonkor, Sally, Auntie Sally, okay, all the girls and the boys, Pamodu, you're all doing great. I thank you very much. My Agas group, you're all wonderful. And thank you very much for being with me throughout this period. I appreciate you all. So drop comments in the comment section below and tell me what city you're watching from. And I'll be glad to send you my shout outs in the next video. Bon appetit until we see you next time. Bye bye.